Hello, this is Leo Page at MarineMax in downtown Fort Walton Beach, Florida, and today I'm going to show you aboard our newest trade, a 2010 Chaparral 204 Extreme. Just recently professionally detailed with buffing done on the exterior and interior of the boat, wakeboard tower with tower speakers and bimini top, large rear swim platform, Volvo duo prop drive, big sun pad on the rear of the boat, easy boarding through the companionway into the cockpit of the boat, his and hers bucket seats, helm, nice storage area underneath the passenger side console, wraparound seating in the cockpit, in-floor storage, as well as a large bow seating area with room for 3 adults comfortably to sit, and a JL audio speakers. Come by MarineMax in downtown Fort Walton Beach, Florida, and ask for Leo Page today to see the Gulf Coast's largest selection of new and pre-owned boats.